Hi students, we already completed the second midterm test, but few students only completed your exam. But next time each and every students try to attend the exam. Okay, Mama. Now we already completed the first three lessons, isn't it? No, first three lessons we already revised for the second midterm test. Now we revise the unit 4 time and unit 5 information processing. Okay, va? Okay, ma, fourth lesson time, ma. Okay, you already know, ma. A clock has two hands. How many hands? Yes, a clock has two hands. The face of the clock is marked with numeral with the number, that means 1 to 12. The face of the clock is marked with number 1 to 12. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, Mama. Now, this is under 1 marks. Okay, va? The two hands are, a clock has two hands. One hand is longer and another hand is shorter. This longer hand is minute hand. Okay, Mama. This is represent a minute. Okay. And the shorter hand is a hour hand and it's represent a hour. Okay, Va? Okay. Now we practice now we practice how to draw the clock. Okay, va? Here asking the question, draw a clock. We want to draw the clock 3 o'clock or 3:00. Both are same. Okay, va? This is also 3 represent the 3 o'clock. This is also define the 3 o'clock. Both are same. Okay, va? But here 3:00, the 3 is represent the hour, h or hour, colon 00 is minute. Okay, minute means what? Yes, longer hand. First, draw a clock. The first step is first draw the circle. Okay, this like draw one circle. Okay, Mama. The next step is put a middle point. Put a middle point, and you already know that the face of the clock is marked with the number what, ma? Yes, 1 to 12. The above the midpoint is the number 12. Okay, take the scale, ma. Take the scale and keep like this. Okay, va? Here one dot and here one dot. The scale is must strike to this midpoint. Okay, va? Upper one dot and down one dot. Draw this like. Okay, va? And the next step is keep the scale horizontally. Okay, va? This like. Here one space and here one dot. That's all. Okay, Mama. Now here 12. You already know very well. This is number 12. Okay, va? So put the number 12. In between this two midpoint, the two dots must be come. Okay, va? Okay, va? In between this two midpoint, put the 2 points like this. Okay, va? And write 1, 2. Okay, va? 1, 2. Okay, va? 1, 2. After here 3. Okay, va? Then in between this 2 point, keep the 2 midpoints. Okay, va? And same like that. In between this 2 point, keep the 2 dots like this. Same like that. In between this 2 point, keep the 2 dots like this. That's all, finished. Now your number should be start from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. That's all. Okay, va? The numbers and all completed, ma. Now, clock means the clock has dash hand. Yes, 2 hands. A clock has how many hand, ma? 2 hand. Okay, va? Now here asking 3 o'clock. We want to draw the hands according to this question. 3 o'clock. So 3 is a hour. So hour means which hand? Yes, short hand. Hour means short hand. So we want to draw the short hand to 3. Okay, va? So short hand. Put the arrow mark. 3. Okay, va? So minute. The hour finish, ma. Now we want to draw the minute hand, that is 0, 0. Now where is the 0? So the minute hand represents 0, 0 means that is a 12. Okay, va? If you know the I think you all the students know the fifth table, right, ma? So here put 0, 0. Okay, va? The 12 represent 0. Okay, va? Now the outside of the circle you write the fifth table. Which table, ma? Fifth table. Okay, start from here. 1 na. So 1 na. So 1 5s are 5. Just write the last number of the table. Okay, 1 5 is 5. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. 10 5s are 50. 11 5s are 55. Okay, 12 means 0, 0. We already write it. Okay, va? Now, here see, ma. Minute 0, 0, va? So, hour hand means look at the number inside the circle. Okay, va? Inside the circle, where is the 3? Here. So, 3 we already mark it. So, minute means look at the outside the circle. Okay, va? Now, outside the circle, where is the 0, 0? Yes, here 0, 0, va? So, you draw the hand, take the scale first. Okay, take the scale. 0, 0 means 12 la. So keep the scale in the midpoint and draw a line like this. Okay, like this. Okay, mama, this is 3 o'clock. 3 means, sorry, the shorter hand means hour. Hour represents 3 and minute represents 0, 0. That is 3 o'clock. That's all. This is the clock. This is the way to draw the clock. Okay, va? Now the next question, 8 o'clock or 8 colon, this 2 dot means colon. Okay, va? 8 colon 0, 0. We already know that 8. 8 means the first number represent what, ma? Hour. Hour colon. The last, the next 2 number represent what? Minute. Okay, va? Clock. So, same like that. Draw one circle. Okay. I draw it one circle. What is the next step? Okay, very good. Keep the midpoint. Keep the midpoint. Okay, va? The next one is take the scale and keep the scale vertically. Okay, and put one point like this. Okay, then turn the scale horizontally. Okay, that means put the scale flatly like this and draw a midpoint here and here. Okay. Okay, mama. Now, in between these 2 points, how many points want to come? Yes, 2. So, 1, 1, 2. Okay. And in between these 2 points, 1, 2. In between this, 1, 2. In between this, 1, 2. Don't confuse. Okay va? Now here the first one what? The straight, the above the midpoint. Yes, 12. So put the number 12. Okay va? After the 12 you want to write the number from 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Like this, draw the number. Okay, Mama? Then, yes, we completed the hour. Next, we want to write the minute. Okay, va? So, hour. How many hour here asking, ma? 8. 8 o'clock. So, hour means which hand? Short hand. So, where is the 8? Yes, here is the 8. So, draw the short hand like this. Put the arrow. Okay, va? 8. Now, minute. So, we want to write the minute outside the circle. Minute means which table? Yes, very good. 5th table. So, here 12 means 0, 0. And write the 5th table outside the circle. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55. Okay, va? Now here minute asking what? 0, 0, va? So where is the 0, 0? Look at the outside the circle. Yes, here. So draw the longer hand because this is a minute. Sorry, ma. So longer hand 8. That's all. This is a way to draw the clock. Understood, ma? Okay. Now take the book page number 28. Okay, va? In our next class we discuss about the 1 mark. Okay, va? Now we practice the book exercise. Activity 1. Here in your exam asking the clock, give it ma. We want to write the correct time. Okay, va? Here clock give it and hands also give it. Now we want to write the correct time. Look at the first clock. Okay, first in clock means the first what? Yes, hour, colon, minute. Isn't it no? So in all box first write hour, colon, minute. Hour, colon, minute. Hour, colon, minute. Hour, colon, minute. Okay, va? So hour means yes, shorthand. The shorthand represent 3. Very good. So 3 colon minute. So where minute means longer hand. So longer hand represent 12. 12 means what number? Very good. 0, 0. So what is the time now? 3 o'clock. Okay, va? Now next question. Look at the second green color clock. Yes, first one hour. Hour means shorthand. Shorthand represent the number 8. So 8 colon minute. The longer hand represent 12. 12 means very good. 0, 0. So what is the time? 8 o'clock. Okay, va? Same like that. All the one. Okay, va? Hour. Hour means shorthand. The shorthand represent 9. So 9 colon minute hand. That means longer hand represent 12. So 0, 0. Same like all the one. Okay, va, ma? This is what, ma? Say the correct time. Very good. 4 o'clock. So 4 dot dot 0. Okay, va? Now, last question. Say the correct time. Very good. 2 o'clock. So 2 dot dot 0, 0. Okay, va? This is also correct. And suppose the 3 o'clock means answer. 3 on apostrophe is O clock. 3 o'clock. This is also correct answer. Both are correct. Okay, Mama. Now the next question. Here the clock give it, the time also give it. We want to draw the hands. That means 2 arrow mark we want to draw. Okay, va? Yes. 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. First question is 11 o'clock. 11 means hour. Hour hand means yes, short arrow, short hand. So draw the small arrow. ஓகேவா? So 0 வா 11 o'clock means this is the way to write the 11 o'clock. So 11, 0 means yes 12. So longer hand 12. ஓகேவா? Like the same way 1 o'clock. So one short hand, then 12. ஓகேவா? 5 o'clock. 5 means short hand. Then 12 longer hand. Like the same way you do. Okay va? Okay, the next one also what? Same like that 7 o'clock. So 7 means short hand. So draw the short arrow. Okay, then longer hand 12. Next 6 means small hand. 6 o'clock, so 6 small hand, 12 longer hand. That's all ma. Now the next question, see ma, choose it. We want to pick the correct clock. Here asking, see, look at the first clock. What is the time? Very good, 5 o'clock, because the longer hand in 12 no, so 5 o'clock. So 1 hour later. Later means what ma? After. Okay va? So 5 o'clock after 1 hour means 5 after what? Very good, 6 o'clock. Now where's the 6 o'clock? Yes, this is what ma? Yes, this is 4 o'clock. Here having see 6 o'clock. So tick that. Okay, same like that. Second question, what is the time? Yes, 8 o'clock. 2 hours later. 2 hours later. Later means what? After. After 8. What? 9, 10. Here asking 2 hours no. So 9, 10. Where's the 10 o'clock? Yes, here. So tick here. Here see ma, here printing mistake. This is 1 hour later, not this is 1 hour before. Okay va? Now what is the time? Yes, 10 o'clock. 1 hour before. Before means what? Previous. Okay, so what is the before number of 10? Very good, 9. Where's the 9 o'clock? Here. So this is the correct. This is also one way to ask the question. Okay va? Ready for the all the. Now here. Yes, 12 o'clock because the longer hand and shorter hand both in 12. So this is what is the time ma? Very good, 12 o'clock. 12 o'clock 2 hours later. So after 2 hours. So 1, 2. So 2 o'clock is the answer. Here having 2 o'clock. So tick it. So what is the time? Yes, 7 o'clock. 3 hours later. So after 3 hours. So 7 after. 8, 9, 10. So where's the 10 o'clock? Yes, here. Okay mama? Okay, that's all. There are 3 types of question ma. The first type is the clock give it, we want to write the correct time. This is the one way of question. Here see ma, here the clock and time give it, we want to draw the hands, correct? 2 hands, okay. The last one is this like, choose it like, okay va? Then the next what? Draw a clock. I already explained, you know. That's all. This is only in 4th lesson. Then take the 5th lesson, information processing. Okay, this is and all activity ma. Now here this is a 1 mark. Okay va? More here, look at the first question, fill in the blanks ma. Okay, 10 more than 45. More means what? Yes, very good. Addition. Less means subtraction. Okay, va? So 10 plus 45 what? 45, 10. So more means addition. So add. You know the addition very well now. Okay. 5 plus 0, 5. 4 plus 1, 4 after 5. So 55 is the answer. Okay, va? 10 less than 45. Less than means minus. So 45 is the biggest number. In subtraction, we want to write the biggest number first. Okay, va? So 45 minus less than means minus 10. Okay, va? 5 minus 0. Very good. 5. 4 minus 1. 3. So 35 is the answer. Okay, va? Same like that. More than means plus. 22 plus more than means plus 10. So what is the answer? 2 plus 0, 2. 2 plus 1, 3. So 32 is the answer. Okay, this is also possible for the 1 mark. So 10 less than 22. So 22 less than means subtraction. So 22 is the biggest number. So I am writing first minus 10. Okay, say the answer, ma. 22 minus 10 what? Very good. 12. Okay, va? So sorry. 12 is the answer. Okay, then complete the blanks. Take the 34 page number. Okay, va? Same like that. I already explained now. In before page, like the same way, but here giving the chart. Okay, 21 plus 10. In this all the number we want to add with 10. Okay, va? So first one what? 21 plus 10 what? Yes, plus. So here put 10 ma. Okay, 1 plus 0, 1. 2 plus 1, 3. So 31. Same like that. 23 plus 10. So put the 10 here. 3 plus 0. Very good. 3. 2 plus 1. 3. So 33. Okay. 21 plus 10. 31. 23 plus 10. 33. So next 25 plus 10. So 5 plus 0. 5. 2 plus 1. 3. Okay, 25 plus 10, 35. 27 plus 10, very good, 37. 29 plus 10, 39. That's all. Okay, here addition over, then here subtraction. Okay, va? Now we want to do the subtraction. 21, here put 10. Here subtraction, ma, don't forget that. 1 minus 0, 1. Okay, 2 minus 1, 1. So 11 is the answer. Okay, next 23 minus 10. Okay, 3 minus 0, 3. 2 minus 1, 1. Like the same way, all the one we want to do. 25 minus 10 what? What is the answer? Yes, very good. 15. 27 minus 10, 17. 29 minus 10, 19. Okay, va? Prepare well this all. Okay, va, ma? In our next class, we prepare for the 4th lesson and 5th lesson 1 mark. Okay, va? Thank you.